such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Use the tags that start with the pound sign, hashtag. Alam niyo na po yung hashtag, no? This also refers to hashtag. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, hashtag mapagmahal. Like, for example, ng ganyan. Ibig sabihin, ayun po yung example po ng folksonomy na ginagamitan po ng hashtag. Okay? Nakakatulong din po ang hashtag sa pagpa-search po ng mga iba't ibang uri po ng mga video or posts. Plus use for hashtag. Like, for example, dyan sa TikTok sites po natin or TikTok application po natin, once na nag-hashtag ka, ibig sabihin ayun po yung makikita or nag-search po yung isang TikTokers na isang video mo sa TikTok. Pag nilagyan po ng hashtag tapos yung gusto niyang term, ayun po yung lalabas. Ayun po kadalas po naggamit ng hashtag. Rich users experience. Content is dynamic and is responsive to user input. An example would be a website that shows local content. In the case of social networking sites, when log on, your account is used to modify what you see their websites. Ito naman po yung mga ginagamit po sa mga log on sites po na, like for example sa Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and so on so far. Ibig sabihin po, ayun po yung example po ng rich user experience. Naduduplicate po tayo na nakikita din po ng pinaka-admin ng website na yun kung ano po yung ginagawa po natin. Okay? Long tail. Number 3, long tail. Services are offered on demand rather than one-time purchase. In certain cases, time-based pricing is better than file size-based pricing or vice versa. This is synonymous to subscribing to a data plan that charges you for the amount of the time you spend in the internet. Or data plan that charges you for the amount of bandwidth you use. Ito naman po yung long tail. Para po siyang plan. For example, sa Globe, ano po yung mga plan po dyan? Ano po yung mga promo? Like, for example, is 1 month. Ito po yung promo, yung package. Ibig sabihin, po yung babayarin nyo using the long tail. Okay? Number 4, user participation. The owner of the website is not the only one who is able to put content. Others are able to place a content to their own by means of comment, reviews, and evaluation. Some websites allows readers to comment on an article, participate in a poll, or review of a specific product. Example po niyan is yung Amazon.com or online stores. Like po sa pool po ng Alibaba.com, Shopee.com, Lazada.com. This is sample of user participations. Ibig sabihin po, ina-allow niya pong, for example, bibili ka po ng isang camera o isang cellphone, ina-allow niyo po yung specification or feedback din po ng isang customer na bumili, no? Ayun po yung example po ng user participations, no? Pag bibili ako, mag-feedback ako. Ibig sabihin, kailangan pong mag-feedback para makita rin po ng iba't ibang bibili pa ng product po na iyon. Okay? Number 5, software as a service. Users will be subscribed to a software only when needed rather than purchasing them. This is a cheaper option if you do not always need to use a software. For instance, ito po yung kailangan po ninyo. Like for example, wala po kayong applications ng isang software na yon, pwede nyo po siyang matignan sa internet. Okay? Para may magamit nyo po at magawa nyo po yung mga dapat nyong gawin. So, for example, sa Wi-Fi, ay hindi ka dala sa assignments. Ibig sabihin po, nagagawa po ninyo using, for example, yan ng Google Docs. Ginagamit po niya is Word, Microsoft Word, ibig sabihin pwede nyo pong gamitin yung Microsoft Word through offline pa, through offline. Ibig sabihin naman dito sa software as a service, ibig sabihin gagamitin nyo sa through online. Okay? Application that allows the user to create and edit word processing and spreadsheet documents online. When you need a software like a word processor, you can purchase it for a one-time huge amount and install it your computer, and it's yours forever. Software as a service allow you to rent a software for minimal fee. Yan po, software po siya yung pinag-uusapan po dyan. Pwede mo siyang bilhin ng one time, pero sayo talaga yung pinaka-application. Meron naman pong bibilhin po araw-araw or kadalasan po monthly po yung binibili para magamit po yung software po nila or application po nila. Okay, number 6. Mass participation. It is a diverse information sharing to the universal web access. Since most users can use the internet, Web 2.0 content is based on people from the various culture. Yan. Tama nga naman yung pagkaka-definitions po dito. Kung ano po yung mga culture po ninyo, siya po talaga yung gagawin po ninyo. Like for example, dito sa Manila, siyempre more on technology ang kailangan mong maging upgradable bilang isang IT software o di kaya technicians. Okay? Web 3.0 and the semantic web. The semantic web is a movement led by the World Wide Web Consortium o W3C. Okay? Isang laboratory po ito na mas upgradable na po siya sa 1.0 and 2.0. The World Wide Web or W3C standard encourages web developers to include semantic content in their web pages. According to the W3C, the semantic web provides a common framework that allows data to be shared and reused across application, interface, and community boundaries. And yun po yung mga framework sa W3C. The aim of 3.0 is to have machines or servers understand the user's preference to be able to deliver web content specifically targeting the users. Ito po yung kailangan po dyan, no? Sa Web 3.0 po kasi kailangan po talaga ng pinaka-upgrade po ng web po natin dahil po mas secure. Hindi po siya masyadong na-hack. Okay? Several problems of Web 3.0. Compatibility. HTML files and current web browsers could not support Web 3.0. Ibig sabihin po yung HTML files po natin hindi po siya supported po ng 3.0. Although kahit mas mataas po yung pinaka-files po natin, hindi po siya accommodate ni 3.0. Security. The user's security is also a question since the machine is saving his or her preferences. Yan, sa marami lang po question talaga dito in terms of security. Vastness. The World Wide Web already contains billions of web pages. Yan, kailangan din po yan. Ayan po yung mga problema ng Web 3.0. No? Mas marami po kasing page, mas marami pong gumagamit. Number 4, bugginess. Certain words are imprecise. The word old and small would depend on the user. Okay, sa user po rin po yan. Kahit gaano kalaki o kaluma yung pinaka-files po natin, nasa users pa rin po siya. Number 5, logic. Since machines are logic, there are certain limitations for our computer to be able to predict what the user is referring to at a given time. Yan. Ibig sabihin po, yan. Yung machine po natin is a logic dahil may limitation din po ito na hindi po gaya sa iba. Okay? Trends in ICT, convergence. Technological convergence is the synergy of technological advantage to work on a similar goal or task. Yan, dito po rin po sa ICT po natin, nagagawa nyo po yung dapat nyong gawin dahil sa computer. Nagagawa nyo po yung dapat nyong gawin dahil sa computer. Kahit pagsabi-sabi at the same time, pwede po yan. Okay? Social media. Social media is a website's application or online channels that enable web users to create, co-create or discuss, modify, and exchange user-generated content. Ayan naman po yung ginatawag natin siyang mga Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. That's the example of social media account na pwede nyo pong gamitin. Okay? Next, 6 types of social media. Social networks. Ito, number 1 to. There are sites allows you to connect with each other with the same interest or background. Ito po, no? For example, sa Facebook, nangyari po yan eh. Marami po talagang nakakatuluyan once na or nakakatuluyan o nakakahanap ng forever dahil sa social media network sites po natin. Okay, dahil dyan po nakakapag-asawa po na maaga yung mga bata or nabubuntis din po na maaga ng bata dahil po sa technology. Okay, bookmarking sites. There are sites that allows you to store and manage links to various websites and resources. Bookmarking, ibig sabihin po yan, for example yan sa mga Grab food yan, bookmarking sites po yan. Letter C, social news. There are sites that allow user to post their own news item or links to other news sources. Ibig sabihin po dyan sa social news po natin, meron na rin po tayo sa YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Mababalitan na po natin kung anong nangyari sa kapaligiran po natin using the social media. Media sharing. There are sites that allow you to upload and share media content like message, music, and video. Yung good example po nito is yung YouTube. Yan, marami po dyan. Next, microblogging. There are sites that focus on short updates from the users. Microblogging. Example, ako po yung nagpa-vlog. Pwede po akong mag-endorse ng kung sino-sino dahil ako isang vlogger. Kung gusto nyo din isang vlogger, pwede nyo po din po i-update nyo kung ano nangyari po sa sarili nyo, sa araw po ninyo. Ayun po yung mga vlogging sites. Okay? Kadalasan po pinupost nyo sa YouTube, then sa mga other websites po nila. Okay? Next, blog and forum. There are websites allows users to post their patients or content pala. 17. Mobile technologies. The popularity of smartphone and tablets has taken a major rise over the years. This is the largely because of the devices compatibility to do tasks that were given found in personal computers. Like, for example po niyan, na operating system po ng isang cellphone, yan, itong isang cellphone na to, ano po ba yung pinaka-specification niya or ano po yung gamit niyang OS? Either on iOS, and iOS. Next is yung Android, yung ginagamit po natin ngayon. Next, BlackBerry OS, Windows Phone OS, Symbian Web OS, and Windows Mobile. Ito po yung kadalasan pong isinusupport po nila, iOS, Android. Hindi ko lang kung BlackBerry OS isinusupport po nila. Yung hindi na lang po sinusuportahan po dyan yung Windows Phone OS, wala na po yun, phase out na po yun. Yung Windows Media, wala na rin po yan. Then lastly, Assistive Media. Assistive Media is a non-profit service designed to help people who have visual and reading impairment. The database of audio recording is used to head to the users. Ibig sabihin po niyan, guys, ito po yung mga dapat po yung pong malaman sa database. Okay? For example, nag-record po tayo ng isang files, ayun po yung tinatawag na isa as system media. Okay? So, that's all for today. Pwede nyo po kayo mag-take ng quiz po ninyo sa Moodle at saka activities po nyo sa Moodle. Okay? Then, the screenshot po natin, send nyo po yan sa page po ng Empowerment Technology. Okay, that's all and thank you.